अरे ये कोई मूवी स्टार जैसा नहीं लग रहा है।
अरे ये तो राहुल सिंघानिया है।
यही तो आया था न्यूज में कुछ दिन पहले, एकदम गंदी गंदी हरकतें करते हुए।
हाँ हाँ, न्यूज़पेपर्स में भी आया था इसके बारे में।
सॉरी मैम,
हाँ, एक सवाल, राहुल सर प्लीज सर एक बार सर एक सवाल है।
Rahul sir, how was the experience working together?
It was a great experience. It's always been great to work with Sonia, and we have had 2 blockbusters in the past also. I'm really looking forward to this one. I think you're going to love this.
Yeah, like this movie is really very close to our hearts, and I hope you guys enjoy it as much as we enjoyed shooting it.
सर एक सवाल और आपकी ऑन स्क्रीन केमिस्ट्री तो सब जानते हैं एकदम लाजवाब है, पर क्या आप दोनों के बीच में कुछ और भी चल रहा है?
No, we're just good friends. Okay, now that's it.
Ma'am, please, one more question.
Here, your coffee.
Thank you.
Tiring day, huh?
Yeah, very. Really needed this. You know, you make the best coffee in the world.
Oh, thanks.
So, the promotions are like crazy.
Yeah, the promotions are sometimes a pain in the ass.
Yeah, but I really enjoyed them this time.
Yeah, they were good. I think everybody loved that movie.
Yeah, the response was amazing. Industry के सारे लोग आए थे. And the media went gaga over our on-screen chemistry, huh?
Oh yeah, right.
So, like, what do you think about our off-screen chemistry?
Nice song, huh? Lata Mangeshkar is my favorite.
Yeah, mine too. Especially this song.
Yeah, right.
So, who are you texting?
I have to meet someone tomorrow, so we're just texting. I think I'm really tired. Let's call it a day. I'll ask my driver to drop you home.
Okay. Cool.
Hello Sonia ji, thank you for giving us time for this interview.
Yeah, no problem.
आप और राहुल सिंघानिया पहले बहुत क्लोज थे, आपने बहुत सारी मूवीज एक साथ की हैं. So what is your reaction to the recent news about him?
Well, Rahul and I are like good friends, so हमें तो ये सब पहले से ही पता था. पर क्या होता है ना, इंडस्ट्री में तो ये सारी बातें ओपन सीक्रेट्स होती है.
क्या इस सब के बाद भी उनके साथ आप काम करना चाहेंगी?
फिलहाल तो 1 साल तक मेरी सारी डेट्स ब्लॉक्ड है, बट आगे का आगे देख लेंगे.
सर सुना है बेवफा में राहुल सिंघानिया की जगह आपको कास्ट किया गया है।
देखिए वक्त के साथ ये तो पता चल ही जाता है कि असली स्टार कौन है। जहाँ तक प्रोड्यूसर से सवाल है, वो हमेशा लंबी रेस के घोड़े पे ही पैसा लगाते हैं।
हेलो, यस सर। सर मेरी आपके असिस्टेंट से बात हुई थी और उसने मुझे बताया कि आपने मुझे मूवी से निकाल दिया है सर। सर आप ऐसा कैसे कर सकते हैं सर, हमारा कॉन्ट्रैक्ट साइन हुआ था, मेरे पास सब कुछ पेपर पर है सर। सर 3 मूवीज का कॉन्ट्रैक्ट साइन किया था हमने सर, क्या बात कर रहे हैं आप। सर मैं तो आपके साथ तब से काम कर रहा हूँ जब से मैं इंडस्ट्री में आया हूँ सर। यू कैन नॉट डू दिस टू मी, मेरा करियर बर्बाद हो जाएगा सर। और आपने राहुल सिंघानिया को अर्जुन खन्ना से रिप्लेस कर रहे हैं सर, वो न्यू कमर। हेलो हेलो
Hi Rahul.
Hey, hi.
I think we should talk.
What happened?
See, the thing is that the rumors have spread everywhere. It's all over the news. And my career is very important to me. And I'm not getting offers because everyone is associating me with you. I can't let this happen.
Listen, Krish, I know all this. But
Today we have with us a star who's attained the zenith of his celebrity. A star who is the heartthrob of women the world over. A star who unfortunately has been tracing the trajectory of his own decline these past few days. Ladies and gentlemen, we have with us Rahul Singhania. So Rahul, where have you been the past few days? We haven't seen too much of you lately. Among all this conjecture, what's changed?
you see, I've been here only. It's just the people around me changed.
The people around you changed. How so?
You know, when the news broke out, I was flabbergasted, or I should say, I was embarrassed.
Embarrassed because you were gay.
Firstly, I am gay, and no. Embarrassed because it wasn't just my life that was put under the spotlight, it was my partner's life too. He was traumatized, he was harassed for loving somebody. All just because he wanted his life to remain private and not come under the radars of newspapers. I was embarrassed because somebody decided to enter into my bedroom and splatter my personal life across newspapers. And the very next day, I was the poster boy for everything I stood against. All because I chose to love someone. A lot of things were said by the media, and a lot of things were constructed just out of thin air. Just because the media wanted to garner some higher ratings, while my personal life went for a toss and my professional life went up in flames. And what pinched me the most was that the industry that adored me for my work and the roles I played suddenly started treating me like a plague, you know. Actresses didn't want to work with me, and the directors, they started doubting my authenticity. And you know, here's the thing, I've been this way for as long as I remember.
So why did you come out of the closet way before the news broke?
So tell me, Safia, are you straight?
Yes.
And at what age did you come out to your parents and your family?
Oh, I see your point.
So you see, for me to make a spectacle of coming out of the closet made no sense to me, because I was never given a choice to be any other way. I never got to choose whom to love, and my only choice was to keep my personal life private, and that too was stolen from me. So here I am. Today I am not a superstar because God knows my career, whatever left of it, will soon be over. Today I am an ordinary broken man who chose to love. An ordinary man grieving the loss of his privacy. An ordinary man pleading his fans, his colleagues, his family to accept him for what he does and how well he does it, instead of crucifying him for daring to love. And if the person who means a lot to me is watching this somewhere halfway across the world, all I would want to say is, to be who we are was never a choice given to us. But if there is one last choice given to me, it would be the privilege of spending the rest of my life with you.